How to fix Telegram deleting messages issues. If Telegram is not deleting messages when you want it to, make sure you are following the right procedure. In private chats, tap and hold the message and select delete. You can also delete messages for both sides if the time limit has not expired. For group chats, admins may have restricted message deletion. Check group settings or ask an admin if you can't delete messages. If the delete option is missing, try updating Telegram and restarting the app. Clearing cache may also help. Enable delete messages for both sides in settings to remove your messages everywhere immediately. Have you ever accidentally deleted an important message? Share your story in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.